Understanding, Avoid Overcooking, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, avoid overcooking. This is a common phrase you might come across in cooking contexts, but it also has broader implications. Let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage. Avoid overcooking consists of two key parts: avoid and overcooking. First, let's look at avoid. This verb means to keep away from or stop oneself from doing something. It implies a deliberate effort to prevent something from happening. Now, let's understand overcooking. It's a compound word combining over and cooking. Over here means too much or excessively, and cooking is the process of preparing food by using heat. So, overcooking means cooking food more than necessary, often resulting in a loss of quality, texture, or flavor. In cooking, avoid overcooking is a crucial piece of advice. It usually means to cook the food just enough so that it's done but still retains its desirable qualities like moisture, texture, and flavor. For example, overcooking pasta can make it too soft, and overcooking vegetables can make them lose their crunch and nutrients. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used metaphorically in other aspects of life. For instance, in a work scenario, avoid overcooking could mean not to overdo a task or not to spend excessive time on minor details. It emphasizes the importance of balance and not going overboard in any activity. For English learners, it's important not to confuse overcooking with cooking over. The latter can imply cooking something above a particular thing, like a campfire. Also, don't mistake avoid for a negative term always. Here, it's more about carefulness and precision. I hope this video has clarified the phrase, avoid overcooking, for you. Whether you're in the kitchen or applying this concept in life, remember, balance is key. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!